What am I supposed to?
Blooper, blooper one.
Good morning, Dave here at the Hobby Habit. We're going to open the Geomag Mechanics set today. This set has 33 pieces. It is $21, so let's get to it and open it up. Let's see if I can break the box. So we pull the side down. This one has 3 sides you have to take apart to open. All right, packaged in a extra plastic. Get that guy open. We got a red piece. We've got the magnets are rolling on the floor. We've got metal balls and magnets on the end of them. Like we got 4 gray ones. Some plastic orange pieces. Oh, a clear white spinner. I'm not sure what we're going to do with that. Always important, the instructions. And a whole other bag of parts and pieces to build things. So it looks pretty cool. We'll have to build it up and shoot another video of it playing with it. Available at the Hobby Habit. This one along with a whole bunch of other ones. So this is not the only one we have. Okay, here we go. We've got it built, and we've built the first model. Actually, the instructions give you instructions for 3 different models, and then you can do whatever you want. So this one, we're using the stick on the ball, and it repels, and that can get it going. And around it goes. Pretty cool. Looks like a lot of fun. Come down and check them out at the Hobby Habit.